Hello guys, welcome to another video. And in this video we are going to learn how to edit pictures in Adobe Photoshop for our designs. So the first thing we are going to do here is to bring in our picture. So you come to file, you scroll down, place embedded, you click on place embedded. Then you select the location of your picture. You select your picture and click on place. Okay, so this is the picture we are going to use. So to edit this picture, the first thing we are going to do is come to the filters panel, click on it, scroll down to camera raw filter and click on it. Okay, so now this is the panel we are going to use to edit our picture. So the first thing we are going to do is to increase the contrast a little bit, reduce the highlight just a bit. You scroll down to the effects panel, you give it a texture and give it a little bit of clarity. Then you scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down to the details panel. Then you increase the sharpness. Increase the sharpness and reduce the noise. So you can even increase the sharpness all the way and reduce the noise a little bit. So you can see the before and the after. You can see the before and the after. Once you are done, then you click on OK. Then the effects will apply on the image. So you can see that our image is now sharp and ready to be used for our design. So let me turn off the editing we just did for you to see the difference. This is the before and this is the after. So you can see the difference. You can see that even the original picture looks a little blurry, but after the editing, it looks very sharp and ready to be used for any design. This is how we edit pictures for sharp design outputs. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.